Hey guys, it's Oksana with Crafted More Design. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, I'm going to show you guys something a little bit different. I'm going to work with furniture. I got this entire farmhouse table with 4 farmhouse chairs and this bench for like $99. The best deal ever. The reason it was so clearance is because it's damaged. The whole top is broken off, has ugly scratches all throughout. But we can make something fun out of it. So here's what I decided to do.
Tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them. Yeah, I'm a billboard. Tell the world, tell the broadcasting like a radio. Tell the world you want to know. I'm brand new.
So, side note, the garage is super messy, but don't judge because I'm sure your garage is just as messy. But what we did is my husband and I went to Home Depot and we actually bought these 1x12 boards. I already had 2 at the house, so I just bought 1. They're about $14 a piece. What we did is we went ahead and nailed everything together, and I went ahead and sanded it. I bought this on, I think, Home Depot, but you can also find one on Amazon. I'll post the link in case you want it. So after I go ahead and sand everything down, I'm gonna stain it, put it all together, and then we'll move it over to the top, and I'll show you guys the finished product. Just a small tip, when you are done, make sure you wipe off all the sand dust so that it doesn't get intermingled with your stain and leave nasty residue behind. Or if you have a blower handy, go ahead and just blow it off, save yourself some time. And if you have someone handy, like I do with my husband, you can have him take the blower and blow all the sand dust off of you. It looks so good, I love it. Oh, I love, you love it too. So just make sure that you do measure it on both sides so it's even. So I actually made this tabletop bigger than the standard table because I actually wanted a little bit more overhang.
Crazy because like you said there wasn't any in here. Chipotle is my life. Best part of waking up, the special roast in your cup.
What was that, sweetie? One more time.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Thank you. You're so